Okay, we got sound. Okay, hi everyone. My name is David from MiddleMachine. It's a startup from Slovenia. I'm here in vacation in Lisbon. I'm having a great time, but I still decided to pitch my startup to you. Thanks. Okay, so it's here. We basically do smart systems to help you to perfectly organize yourself in a modern world of information overload and increasingly complex routine. Our daily lives are becoming obsessed with cool stuff. So we've got Facebook, we've got event invites, we've got last-time concerts, we've got task lists. There's a lot of books being published that are cool. We want to see movies, etc., etc. So what we do is we basically learn your interests and allow you to express them in a really nice user interface, and thus help you to decide what's best to do for you in some context. Linked data web 3.0 is in this respect a problem but also a solution, because it allows us to not only be a rich data store as Google Calendar, for example, and delicious everywhere, so it allows us to reason on top of that to provide you with better data. So this gives us our technology that we call thinking tasks. It's not only tasks, it's not only, for example, I want to fix my bicycle, but we can help you to maybe just do it on the way. Maybe when you're passing with your bicycle past a shop that fixes bicycles, we allow you to visit that shop and just do it along the way. So what you do is select what is important to you, and we are building systems that use mobile technologies that are context aware to allow you to do that in an optimal fashion. It's also, of course, social. You're able to collaborate with your friends, and also if they're not users of the system, it's got a superb user interface to help you do this in a manner that's most optimal. And on top of all, it's very smart. Geolocation is the next big thing, as said by Gartner and all the analysts, and we are focusing to provide that into the mainstream, building this platform. How do we monetize? We call it inverse marketing. We don't need to provide that. As I mentioned, the bicycle example, we already know what you want to do. We know what you want to buy. We know the services you desire, so we can actually bring them, the service providers, to you directly. The markets are huge. It's billion-dollar markets with 50% yearly growth. There's a lot of competitors, but no definitive solutions. People are using a lot of these apps, but none has taken the market lead. So to recap, we've got all the Web 3.0 data on one spot. We've got reasoning on top of it using semantic technologies, geolocation technologies. It's social and it's adaptive mobile technologies. All the guys in the analyst sector are pitching this as the thing to be. To go to our pitch again, we help people organize their lives to reach optimization, execution dynamics, not unlike how Deep Fritz beats chess grandmasters. What does this mean? Deep Blue, as you know, was the first computer to beat a person in chess. So we're using a lot of the same technologies to basically see possible options. So your dislocations, you might do this, you might do that. We score, we say this has a score of 5, this has a score of 10, and say, okay, do this because it's the best for you. Where are we currently? We started in late 2009. We've developed a prototype. We went to SITCamp in Prague and won it. And we are nearing private beta release. So if you would like to test our application, send us an email or follow us on Twitter. This is a team. I'm an experienced developer. I was on the first SITCamp with Samantha, working on semantic technologies. And my friend Giga is a social media and digital marketing expert. So this is basically it. Thanks for your attention. Please follow us on Twitter and send us an email if you'd like to hear more about it. Thank you.